Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the washer door latch, be sure to unplug the power cord. Open the washer door and use needle nose pliers to remove the outer clamps securing the door boot seal. Pull the seal off the lip of the front panel. Using a T20 Torx bit, unthread the door latch mounting screws. Detach the door latch from the panel and disconnect the wire connectors to fully remove the old latch. Install the new door latch by first connecting the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Position the latch on the front panel and thread the mounting screws. Realign the door boot seal on the lip of the front panel. Replace the outer boot clamp. Securing the clamp near the top will make this easier. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your washer should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.